Sorry to interrupt your scheduled program, but I want to talk about this for a minute. We're getting near the end, getting this up tonight, and I'll be running this tomorrow morning. So just kind of want to show you where we're at with it. I think it's coming along nice. I'm still working on stickers and all that, trying to figure it all out. Can't say enough. Again, this has been excellent adventure, this whole deal. Met a lot of new friends, had fun with some old friends all the way around. Hope you guys dig that. Kind of going with our retro theme. I'm going to put a little more of our sponsors up in here, but it's a homage to my buddy Brian. 88.6 miles per hour, whatever it is. I got my flux capacitor working. So the idea with this is also I'll be able to see the, gotta clean it all up. So I'm not sure what I'm doing with the windows yet, or if I'm gonna repaint that. I don't know, I'm figuring it out, but you see I made a splitter. I'm not sure how well it's gonna work. The body kind of sits right. I left this. I gotta clean up my wheel wells, but it is what it is for now. I'm just trying to get this done before tomorrow. The Shugu dried real good, but let me put this up and I'll go over what we're gonna run with tomorrow. And, this is what I mean by locked and loaded. Now we're there. So you see the Shugu held up real nice. I didn't like how flimsy they are, period. I still might fill Shugu in here just to rigid it up. Excuse my poor language. But, so you can see I made that a couple pieces of plastic, put the Rollardo bumper on there. We're running our X-Team 3600. Now this got a little warm after the last run, our run that we got, our 67, so I might have to put a fan on there and take that out, but we're running an X-Team 3650 with 5400 RPMs. We got our Surpass Hobby 80 amp rocket supersonic, so it should be good. And we got our 14 kilogram servo, one of those cheapies, $14 one. It might even be $9. And we're obviously using our Dumbo with gyro was on last time, but it was on low, so I might turn it up a little bit more because I had plenty of good control. And phase 2 upgrades were also got the metal lower swing arms and cups, and the metal with the bearings on the steering. Look how tight that is. There's no wobble in that at all, guys. We'll be able to do a lot of stuff. Now I I saw that Brent over at Adventure Time, he showed that he put that carbon fiber piece going across top that came in this carbon fiber kit. I used the old one of these, put it on there, and it seems to be good. You know, I just had to find some longer bolts that I use from like one of the shocks or whatnot. Still got to glue my magnets. I'm only putting them on the back. The front I'm going to have to use clips. I also put little O-rings there because it's going to be right against that. Let's go as low as I can go on that. So hopefully with any luck with our new contacts, these are 26 and 30s. Thanks Mike over at RCRX. Can't appreciate that enough. All the help you guys have been. That's the nice thing, man. Nobody's trying to like, oh, I got a secret. You don't know what I got. It's more fun, man. At least the guys I hang out with and enjoy playing with. It's more of a, hey, I'm doing this. You should do this too. You know, like it's a little different. Anyways, I hope you guys really dig this because I'm really enjoying the whole deal. On a slightly side note, I won an eBay auction today. I know I wasn't going to buy nothing, but this thing, 15 bucks. I looked at it because I had some bodies that I was thinking about for this, and they were already painted, and it was going for $5. Well, I looked in it, and there's a whole chassis. I don't know if it's I can't tell if it's a Team Associated rally chassis or it's got everything, including the motor. No electronics, but the chassis there with center drive and the whole nine. And I got it for $15. So I don't know, man. Maybe I'll be building another one. It could be. It's either a Traxxas TX4. The guy didn't know what it was. It's either TX4 or it's the Team Associated. Whatever theirs is, I can never remember. Anyways, that's where I'm at. So hopefully you guys tune in for tomorrow. Should be a good day. There's a lot of guys running tomorrow. I think Mike's going to be running tomorrow. I think Brent said he's going to be running tomorrow. Wouldn't be surprised if RC Birds, Dirk, is running tomorrow. He normally puts one out on the weekends. I think it's Saturdays and Sundays he puts a video out, so I wouldn't be surprised there either. Plus, it's game day, right? It's the day we find out who's doing what. But, oh, Jacko Trade, man, nice on that 84. That's freaking awesome. Only TT02. Your stickers are in the mail. That anybody that hasn't gotten stickers or that should have, please let me know because I haven't sent any recent ones out in over a week. So if you're expecting to get them and they didn't, let me know because I had more than once I've had them disappear in the mail going overseas and whatnot. So, anyways, that's all I got. All but to go first. Dismissed.